although they're in, they are, apart from the whisker, which could be a bit finer actually, apart from that whisker, everything's very blurry. I can see how that looks. Just fill those spaces in, just here and there. So we're still using the grey, well, light blue paper, but we're just adding to it. And we can accentuate the way the hairs are going with this. Then just soften it down. That looks okay. Every chin you do will be different. No two chins are the same. This is why if you really want to do a picture and have it look like the animal, you've really got to pay attention to what's going on in the animal. Just a bit more. Yeah, he's got much more of a point going on there, hasn't he? You can see that quite clear. Just on the edge of his tongue. That's okay. Yeah, should be alright, but it's got to start going in more from here. That's what it is. It's just needs to kind of go up here a bit more. Just do it in this colour for now. We'll just go over it then. And bit this. Yeah, and this line here is needing to come in. That's better. Yeah, that's better, I think. Right. Need to do now is to get a proper idea of what's going on there. Got a little bit of something there. Let's do this. little bit of bunch underneath the chin there. And then, yeah, then it's going up. Like that. There's a bit of whisker. Now we have to come down here. Only slightly, and then across here. And that's blurry. It's blurry. Okay, now we need to put in these white marks here now. So I'm looking just very carefully how close that comes. It's coming towards the outer side of his tongue, so it's here. And it's close, so I'm just going to put that in there. There, we've got another one coming nearby. Then another one higher up, very close again. Then we've got one coming right down through those, sharp. Another one, sharp. Then we've got a block here. Then another thick block here, which is this. That's also very close. And when we get these in, we'll see if the shape of the chin is correct. It's quite awkward to tell until you've done this, I think, though. Kind of fixie shape there. Now, we've got a mark coming from right up here. And down. Then we've got a light, it's quite dark. I'll put this in here now, just to mark it out. And then here again, just put that in just to mark it out. So I don't get lost. Then, so I just mark along here. We'll just get all these nicely right along here because it looks so nice. When something looks so nice like this, well, you know, just copy it. So we've got that, that's that, And we've got a nice kind of mass. Yeah, we've got that. That's that. It's a bit thick there. Thick. Then we've got mass there. And yeah, we've kind of got sort of streaky coming through here, isn't it? Streaky. Very close though. Very close. Way up here. It's quite close, and then it kind of spreads back about here. Lighter line up there. Right, now just check his chin shape again. It's not bad. It's not bad. It looks nice. It looks nice. Just think there's something quite a little bit wrong here. And when we get his other bits of white around here, it'll help. Now, here we've got that dark line there, which I've already put in. Just want to check that I'm on the right track here. Let's just kind of, just make sure the pencil's straight up, just on the outside of that bit there. So it's kind of there. Make sure the pencil's straight. Yeah, it's exactly there. That's that bit there. And then, so we've got a line coming quite close to that, but a little bit below it. And it's going straight down. That's, well, almost. That's that line there. That line. And we've got another line straight close to it. And a line but just above it, coming round and out. And then out a bit. Out a bit. And like that. And out a bit more. And that's that line there. I'm using this pencil now because it's quite soft. It blends quite nicely. Right, so I've got that one there. And then it's broken up a little bit and it comes back this way. Then a little bit in there. And we've got these two here. Then we've got it's coming quite high there. Right, now we've got that dark mark there which is already in. That's coming across here. very close to his chin. And then another bit here. Soft, very soft. Again, very close to his chin. And then this, very close to his chin. That's further down. That's further down, that's it. And that's, again, it's kind of coming very close to his chin. Okay, so now we've got his hairs in. And we could just do a bit more blurring in here. Very slight. We want to keep the depth there, definitely. So just soften it all over, really. Just make it look like his chin's coming over that bit now. Love doing these bits. Right, put this whisker in for the third time. It's a bit more of a reddy look to it here. I think what we'll do is we'll just pop it on when we've done all the hair around his face, and then I can just blend it over the white there a bit. That's that line there. Nice. Okay, right, let's stop now and have a break. Very pleased with that. The light is so great today. Really nice. Yeah, always be careful not to blow on, spit on your work. That's another thing. Okay, that's it. Where are you? Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.